Hello everyone, welcome to Finite Element Methods tutorial. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today we are going to discuss one problem on weighted residual method. The problem is solve the differential equation for a physical problem expressed as d square y by dx square plus 100 equals 0, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10 with boundary conditions as y of x equals 0 and y of 10 equals 0 using point collocation method, second one subdomain collocation method, third one least squares method, fourth one Galerkin's method. In previous class we discussed the four methods. Now write the differential equation is d square y by dx square plus 100 equals 0 where x ranges from 0 to 10. The boundary conditions are y equal to 0 at x equals 0 and x equal to 10. Now let us assume a trial function for the differential equation which should satisfy the boundary condition also. Assume the trial functions y equal to ax into x minus 100. It satisfies the boundary conditions, that is x. Now substitute first boundary condition is x equals 0, it gives y equals 0. Second boundary condition is x equal 10, 10 minus 10, it gives y equal to 0. These two boundary conditions satisfied this trial function. Now equation 2 also write as y equal to a into x square minus 10x. Now differentiating this, the equation 3, we get dy by dx equal to a into x square derivative 2x minus 10x derivative 10. Once again derivative this term with respect to x, that is d square y by dx square equal to 2a. By substituting in equation 1 we have the residual as r equal 2a plus 100. Now substitute this 2a in equation 1, that is d square y by dx square equal to 2a, 2a plus 100 equal to 0. This function is called as residual function. First question is point collocation method. In point collocation method, the residual is set to 0. That means r equal to 0. R is 2a plus 100 equals 0. That means a equal minus 100 by 2 equal minus 50. Hence the trial function is y equal to ax into x minus 10. A means minus 50 into x minus 10. Now also write as 50x into 10 minus x. From this take minus as common, that is 50x into 10 minus x. Second question is subdomain collocation method. In this method, the integral of the residual over the subdomain is said to be 0. That means integration intervals 0 to 10, that is x1 0, x2 10, residual r into dx equals 0. R equal 2a plus 100 into dx equals 0. Now integrate this term 2a integration 2ax plus 100 integration 100x interval 0 to 10 equal to 0. Now substitute 10 2a into 10 plus 100 into 10 minus 2a into 0 plus 100 into 0. That means 20a plus 1000 equals 0. From this equation write a equal minus 1000 by 20 equal minus 50. Hence the trial function y equal minus 50x into x minus 10. Now take minus a common. Now also write as 50x into 10 minus x. Third question is least squares method. In this method, the integral of the square of the residual over the domain, that is functional, is to be minimum. We know the formula, that is I equal integration 0 to 10 r square dx is minimum. Now substitute r in this equation, that is integration 0 to 10 r square means 2a plus 100 whole square dx, 2a whole square 4a square plus 2ab 2 into 2a plus 100, that is 400a plus 100 whole square 10,000 into dx. Now integrate this term 4a square integration 4a square x plus 400a integration 400ax plus 10,000 integration 10,000x 10,000x. Now substitute the intervals 40a square plus 4,000a plus 1 lakh. Now derivative this term dou I by dou a equals 0. 40a square partial derivative with respect to a, 40a square, that is 80a, 4000a partial derivative 4000 equals 0. From this we get a equal minus 50 and the trial function y equal to minus 50x into x minus 10, that is 50x into 10 minus x. Last question is Galerkin's method. In this method, the domain integral of the product of the trial function with residual is set to 0. Product of trial function and residual equals 0. Integration 0 to 10 trial function ax into x minus 10 into residual function 2a plus 100 into dx equals 0. Now multiply these two terms, we get integration 0 to 10 2a square x square plus 100 a x square minus 20 a square x minus 1000 ax into dx equals 0. Now integrate these terms 2a square x square integration x cube by 3 plus 100a x square integration x cube by 3, 20 a square x integration x square by 2 minus 1000 a x integration x square by 2, intervals 0 to 10 equal to 0. Now apply the intervals, we get a equal minus 50, hence the trial function is y equal minus 50x into x minus 10. Also write as y equal 50x into 10 minus x. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos.